In this video, we'll show you how to use and customize Quick Settings on your Pixel phone. Quick Settings helps you to easily get to the settings you change most often. From the top of your screen, swipe down once. Here you'll see the Quick Settings menu, with a few of your Quick Settings tiles. To see additional settings, swipe down again. To turn a setting on or off, tap its tile. To customize your Quick Settings, on the bottom left, tap the pencil tile. Current Quick Settings will appear at the top, and others will appear below. To rearrange the order, touch and hold the setting tile that you'd like to move. To keep it in your Quick Settings, drag the tile up and release. To remove a setting, touch and hold the tile and then drag it down to drag here to remove. To add a setting, touch and hold the tile and then drag the tile up above, drag here to remove and release. Now you're ready to use Quick Settings. To learn more about your Pixel phone, watch our other videos or visit the Help Centre.